It's time for a spring cleaning sale at sewyours.com. All of the items that I'm going to share with you today are 25% off this week only. The sale is going to end on Saturday, May 13th. So if you see something you like, go ahead and snag it up as soon as you can because there are limited quantities available. All of the items that I'm sharing with you today are going to be discontinued, and that is because we like to keep the website fresh with new products, and I only have limited space available here in the studio to store new product. So if you see something you like, I recommend that you go ahead and grab it as soon as you can. So let's go ahead and take a look at all of the items that are on sale. Here's all the hardware that we have available for sale on the spring cleaning sale. We've got our straight zipper pulls. These are available in all 6 finishes. So we've got the nickel, we have light gold, we've got rose gold, antique brass, gunmetal, and rainbow. Here we have our ladder zipper pulls, and we only have those left in the light gold, rose gold, and antique brass. So here is a closer look at those. And I do have my zip and grip that I made with the ladder zipper pulls. And I also have the ocean blue zipper tape right here, which we also have on clearance. This is from our fall collection of last year, so we've got a few of those available. And I also used the ladder pulls on my itty bitty bowler bag right here. And here's another one. We have turn locks available. These are only available in the rose gold color like I have right here. Here is our strap anchors. So you will get a set of 4 strap anchors with 2 screws in each of them and a washer as well. We have those left in rainbow in the most quantities and very few left in the rose gold, which I've already got pre-packed here. We have some nickel, and we have the light gold. Next, we have our strap ends, and these are the extra wide strap ends. So it is a 6mm wide channel right here. So this is going to be for super thick straps. Whereas, let me show you the comparison to the standard strap end. This is a 4mm wide channel, so you can see the difference here on how much wider that channel is. So we do have those available in all 6 of the finishes. We've got a few of our triangle rings left. We've got them available in the nickel, rose gold, and light gold on this skinnier mold right here. And on this chunkier mold right here, we've got that in rainbow and light gold. We have our standard width strap slider right here, only available left in the gunmetal finish. So these are probably going to go really fast. So if you see anything that you like, I recommend going ahead and checking that out and purchasing them right away because by the end of the week, I don't expect very many, if anything, to be left here in the hardware. Moving on to our zipper tape. This is all number 5 zipper tape with a nylon coil, perfect for bag making. Here is our fall 2022 collection, and this is all the colors that we have left. Ocean blue, pine. We've got beige and coffee. And I've only got a very few left in these particular colors. Then we have our winter 2022 zipper collection. And these are the colors that we have left, mostly rose gold, but we do have a little bit of the other. I think we have some gunmetal and we might have a select few of nickel left for the coil colors. So we've got baby blue, slate blue, dusty rose, baby pink, and linen left. This is our boho webbing collection. We've decided to go ahead and put this in the spring cleaning sale because we do have a lot of new webbing coming this year. So we want to make room for that. So when we can, we're going to give you continuous cuts. So if you are ordering a quantity of 2, you will get 120 inches if we have that available. Otherwise, you may only get a 60-inch cut of the webbing like I have right here in all of these. This is perfect for a crossbody strap, exactly the length that you need so you don't have any waste. So you can still get all of these designs available. This one is the lowest quantity available that we have in stock, so keep that in mind if you're looking to order. Here's what we have left of our diamond chevron collection: turquoise, magenta, navy blue, and blue. And these are very limited in quantity, so go ahead and snag them up if you see them on the website. And here we have the original Zipper Pal. This was our very first acrylic template that we released last year. And we only have 8 available in each of these colors. So we've got the pink glitter and the turquoise glitter, and it's that chunky glitter. So if you guys want to get one of these at 25% off, go ahead and grab them before they're gone. Lastly, we have our pre-made webbing straps. So these are all that we have available in the Diamond Chevron collection. We've got the magenta, turquoise, blue, navy, and the pink. And the navy and the turquoise have the 1.5-inch wide hardware. That is the light gold, and the remainder is nickel. You can see this particular bag strap right here has the strap end that I went ahead and made in the pink vinyl. And while these are not on sale, this is the acrylic templates that we do sell on our website in order to make these strap ends right here. So if you guys are interested in those, you can also purchase those. We've got them available in several colors. Here is the pre-made webbing straps that we have available for purchase on sale in the boho collection. So we've got these 3 with the antique brass hardware and this one with the nickel hardware. And for this one, I went ahead and used another acrylic template to make the strap end. I hope that you found something that you like. Go ahead and visit my website at sewyours.com between now and May 13th to go ahead and shop the 25% off sale. Thank you so much for watching.